A total of 4,614 people and institutions have officially become shareholders in Airtel Uganda after the telecommunication company concluded its initial public offer. Of the 8 billion offer shares, the number of offer shares allocated are 4.35 billion, representing 54.4% IPO subscription.
We will look at today. You saw the numbers. We have almost close to 11% of our shares which has been subscribed. We have a balance 9%. We are in touch with the regulators and other bodies to understand how do we go about listing the balance 9% shares in the market.
As CMA continuously encourage businesses that have a good idea to put their idea out there, and if investors like the idea, they will be able to invest. So this IPO for me gives me a good benchmark of what is possible and what's not possible. Even if you put aside the institutional investors like NSSF.
The National Social Security Fund, NSSF, was the largest investor in the IPO after purchasing shares worth 199 billion shillings. Although the new development is hailed by various stakeholders as a milestone for the company and the economy, the undersubscription raised concerns.
It raises a few questions about the understanding of capital markets and companies and how they operate. Because if you look at the effective price with the incentive shares at 90.91, that would be the effective price a retail investor bought a stock. It gives you a future effective yield, return on investment of about just under 11%. So you'd wonder why people would not look at this as a potential return on investment, because it's quite competitive with the money markets and the umbrella trust funds. So I think it's about knowledge and understanding of the capital markets and how companies operate. And we need to do more in terms of financial literacy and introducing this asset as a new vehicle for people to invest in.
What I want to encourage about Ugandan investors, we always wait for government to assist us. Government has done a significant part of the job to make sure that within the National Telecom Operator License, they insist that first MTN, then ourselves, we must list 20% of our shares. That is something to applaud. We should have had the follow-on to make sure that Ugandans take it up. So my view is, whatever the balance is, we need to find a very quick solution to make sure that we increase this ownership and enfranchisement, but also we improve trading so that there is liquidity.
The listing of Airtel makes it the 19th listed company on the Uganda Securities Exchange, marking a Uganda shillings 19.8 trillion capitalization. Dennis Igoa for UBC News.